Dari makade.
Sabay na interview. Sabay na ka mga may kihapat na lang. Rumpat na ano dahil.
Ipaglaban.
Yung mga recent events na involved sa flood control project. I think matagal nang may corruption dito sa Pilipinas at this flood control projects was just the cherry on top. Yun yung nakapag-trigger siguro ng mga tao kaya nandito tayo ngayon.
Do you think ma-stop yung corruption bisan pa may nasunod yun na anak?
Not totally, to be frank, not totally. But this is definitely a first step in stopping corruption. Corruption has been embedded in our system for decades already. Even after the martial law, naging existent pa rin yung corruption. Yung magagawa lang natin siguro is to mitigate corruption and to do our very best to elect people who will genuinely help our nation. But with the current state of military among our people, siguro imposible yun. Mahirap yun, pero hindi imposible rather. Siguro it is our collective effort, our collective contribution na talaga we get to 100% abolish corruption in our nation and attain the future that we have all been longing for.
As a young student or person, anong naka-matter hay what corruption? Anong naka-apekto hay in corruption na tatagawa Pilipinas?
As a student, nakaka-apekto nga sa amin yung corruption kasi we come from a public school. At given na schools are underfunded, kami na nag-aaral doon are heavily affected kasi nga kulang kami ng facilities and all. But aside that, a lot of us are coming from the sectors na, let's say, middle class, maraming pangailangan, and I think na meron tayong government na ini-ignore o nini-neglect yung needs namin. I think it's safe to say na talagang malapit ka sa amin kasi it's also our future at stake. Kasi kung wala kaming gawin, wala rin kasiguraduhan kung ano yung magiging bukas.
Ano nimo correct? Tagalog, Waray, Chinese, Spanish, mix. Siguro mas maupay ko national language na para damo nakaintindi. Yeah, sige, maaari ba nating malaman kung anong school ang kinabibilangan mo?
I'd rather not po. Hindi ko na lang po i-mention.
Sige, go. Pero you are from the student organization.
Hindi po. I came here out of my personal choice na lang po.
And then, para sa'yo, gaano kahalaga ang hinahawakan mong bandila? How does it matter to you ang bandilang hinahawakan mo ngayon?
Kasi this is the only place that we live in. Yung mga may pera, yung mga asa posisyon, they have the money. Kung magkaano-ano man dito sa Pilipinas, they can go outside. Pero tayong normal na citizen ng Philippines, tayong magsasuffer. So we have to fight for what is right and we have to fight for the Philippines. That's why we are here.
Ano ang sigaw mo sa mga kapwa Pilipino, kapwa mo Gen Z? Ano pang tawag sa inyong generation? Z pa ba kayo? Gen Z, at panawagan mo sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas.
Sa mga Gen Z po dyan, tayo pong pag-asa ng bayan. We have to speak what is right. We have to know what we are fighting for. Hindi po dapat mag-cloud chase lang tayo, but we have to know ano bang pinapaglaban natin. So for me, pinapaglaban ko ang right. Kasi I know that the corrupt government is stealing from us. That is why we have to call them out. Mr. President, you have signed the General Appropriations Act. You know it for yourself. Mache-check mo naman yan eh. Merong mga unappropriated projects dyan. But what you didn't vetoed it. You signed it. So therefore, you are part of it.
Sige, damang salamat.